everyone, wishing all of you a very good day. I'm Teacher Jiva from Teacher Lee Learning Centre that located in Taman Gaya. Okay, first of all, I hope all of you are staying safe and also practicing social hygiene, which is wash your hand regularly, wash also in the between. And then I was challenged by my fellow colleague, which is Teacher Lee Jia, to participate in Joyous Kiddie MCO challenge. Okay, today I'm going to share with you how to DIY toys. DIY means do it yourself. So I'm going to use the material that I have in my house and then create a toy out of it. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. These are the total amount of items that we need. First of all, a piece of paper. I made use of a recycled paper, a straw, marker. You can use colored marker if you have, and scissors to cut the paper. And then, what will be the outcome? This one. We're going to cut the paper into a caterpillar shape. Stay tuned for the video. Hi, so now we're going to start. Take the scissors, hold the paper. So as much what you want, you can make a choice by yourself. So I choose over here, then I cut. You can make a line if you want. Okay. Then the paper is ready. Now I'm going to fold it into half. Press firmly. Open. Now the remaining half we're going to fold again. One more time. Same goes on the other side. Fold. One more time. Press firmly. Okay, next we're going to open up. Open one by one. Okay, as you can see, this is the shape. Okay. You choose either of the end point, here or here. Choose one point and then draw caterpillar face. And that's all. If you notice, I only use 4 items to create the toy, which I call as caterpillar racing. Okay, I use scissors, straw, marker and paper. For the paper, I will recommend you to use any recycled A4 size paper, or if you have color paper, you can use it also. Next, I will be challenging Teacher Catherine from Ipoh branch to participate in Joyous Kiddie MCO challenge. So stay tuned to see what is Teacher Catherine going to share with us. And make sure you like, subscribe to our Joyous Kiddie official TV, and also like our Facebook page. Thank you.